gusto ipaabot sa Ginoo dihan sa ato aron kitang tanan mas namor nato masabtan kung unsay atong trabaho diri sa kalibutan. Mag-start sa ato sa Genesis chapter 1. Genesis chapter 1. Sa NLT na lang siguro na. In the beginning, God created heaven and the earth was formless and empty, and the darkness covered the deep waters, and the Spirit of God was hovering over the surface of the waters. And God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. And God saw the light that was good. Then He separated light from the darkness. And God called light day, and the darkness night. And evening passed, morning came, marking the first day. And God said, "Let be space between the waters," and separate the waters of the heavens from the waters of the earth. And what happened? God made His space to separate the waters of the earth from the waters of the heavens. And God called space sky, and even